Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create a smooth wipe compare transition in Davinci Resolve. For this effect to work, both clips need to be identical except for any color adjustments you've made. Move your playhead to where you want the transition to begin. Then hold Ctrl and press B to cut the both clips at that point. Then delete the start of after clip and the end of before clip. Then make sure your after clip is on the same video layer as before clip. Next, open the Effects tab and search for Wipe and drag the transition effect into the point where two clips meet. To refine the effects, go to Transition panel and set the angle to 90 degrees and the border to 5 for a smooth edge. You can also increase or decrease the transition duration by dragging its edge in the timeline. And that's it. You've successfully added a wipe compare transition in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.